Capture a sunset glow with the warm tones of the golden hour makeup artist look. Begin by sweeping Mary Kay Chromafusion eyeshadow and gold status across your eyelids and gently into the creases using the Mary Kay all-over eyeshadow brush. Next, blend Mary Kay Chromafusion eyeshadow and shiny penny into the creases and extend it toward the outer corners of your eyelids with the Mary Kay eye crease brush. Define your eyes by tracing the upper and lower lash lines with Mary Kay waterproof eyeliner in brown. With the remaining product on your Mary Kay eye crease brush, softly sweep it along the lower lash lines. Add more shiny penny to achieve a bold and diffused effect. Using the Mary Kay cheek brush, apply the warm Mary Kay Chromafusion blush in golden copper to your cheekbones, moving upward toward your hairline for a radiant glow. For the perfect pout, add a touch of Mary Kay Gel Semi-Shine Lipstick in Spiced Ginger. Finish your look with your favorite Mary Kay mascara. We hope you love this radiant, effortless glow.